Hello everybody. Recently my wife asked me to go online and do some shopping for her and purchase this LEGO Friends Stephanie's House Dollhouse Kit. The first place I looked was on Amazon, and you can see the price here is normally $69.99. It was on sale for $64.99. But I did a little further investigating and a little shopping, and I was shocked that I was able to find it online for $47, no tax and free shipping. And I don't know about you, but when a deal's too good to be true,
you get really cautious.
So let me tell you about my experience, because it was a really good one. I stumbled upon this website, Brown Shopie, and it actually had a separate category here for Legos. And sure enough, the Lego set that I was looking for was right here. LEGO Friends Stephanie's House. And it was $47. So this was on a Saturday, and I immediately scrolled down to the bottom and found their contact us, sent them an email asking them to confirm that the LEGO products were in fact brand new, unopened. Within less than a day, the merchant actually responded back to me confirming all the merchandise was brand new, and I promptly placed an order on a Sunday. So on October 27th, I placed my order, and here's a confirmation of my order. On Friday, November the 1st, I received a shipping confirmation along with a tracking number. And what's interesting is it was a FedEx tracking number, and the FedEx tracking information said shipped from Kohl's. The FedEx tracking information said that the parcel would be delivered by the end of the day on November the 4th, which is a Monday. Looks like the parcel did not get to the FedEx location, and it was delivered to the U.S. Post Office on Tuesday morning, November the 5th, and the post office handled the final delivery to my house. So FedEx tracking with final delivery by the U.S. Postal Service. I think FedEx calls that Smart Post. I have already opened the box to inspect the contents, but the item that I received is exactly what I expected. It's in brand new condition. The seals are intact. And the other thing I did learn about this particular item is I saw this item online, offered on eBay, and I thought that this package was crushed, but if you look at how the box is designed, it looks like it's intentionally designed this way. The boxes were not crushed that I had seen online, even though the boxes have that appearance. Looks like LEGO intentionally designed this box with a non-rectangular end on it. But the item looked perfect, and it was substantially below other prices I had seen online. Inside the box was a Kohl's invoice, which was quite interesting. Obviously, it was addressed to be shipped to me, but it was sold to a person in Providence, Rhode Island, and charged to a credit card that did not have any digits that matched my card. I actually used PayPal to make my payment. And then the most interesting thing about all this is the unit price on the Kohl's invoice is $69.99. That's full retail. So how I got it for $47, free shipping and no tax, is beyond me. According to the website, Brown Shopie is located in Springfield, Ohio. So somehow I bought something from Springfield. The invoice from Kohl's show it was purchased by somebody in Rhode Island. It was shipped to me in Connecticut, but I'm extremely happy with the price I paid for it. So thanks for watching. If you found this at all helpful or entertaining, how about a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.